are going to learn vehicles and transport. Are you ready to see cars, buses, trains, airplanes, and more? This is a car. Car. A car helps people travel from one place to another. Cars drive on the road. Car says vroom vroom. Can you say car? Car. This is an auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. It has 3 wheels. Auto says put put. Say auto rickshaw. This is a bicycle. Bicycle. A bicycle has 2 wheels. We use our legs to ride it. Bicycle goes ring ring. Say bicycle. This is a bus. Bus. A bus carries many people. School buses take children to school. Bus says honk honk. Say bus. This is a scooter. Scooter. A scooter has 2 wheels. People ride scooters on the road. Scooter says vroom. Say scooter. This is an ambulance. Ambulance. An ambulance helps sick people. It takes them to the hospital. Ambulance says wee woo wee woo. Say ambulance. This is a fire truck. Fire truck. Fire trucks help put out fires. Firefighters use fire trucks. Fire truck says Nina Nina. Say fire truck. This is a police car. Police car. Police cars help keep us safe. Police officers drive them. Police car says woo woo. Say police car. This is a truck. Truck. Trucks carry heavy things. Trucks travel on highways. Truck says honk honk. Say truck. This is a truck. Truck. Trucks carry heavy things. Trucks travel on highways. Truck says honk honk. Say truck. This is a train. Train. Trains run on tracks. Trains carry many passengers. Train says choo-choo. Say train. This is an airplane. Airplane. Airplanes fly in the sky. They travel very fast. Airplane says whoosh. Say airplane. This is a helicopter. Helicopter. Helicopters fly with spinning blades. They can land anywhere. Helicopter says chop chop chop. Say helicopter. This is a ship. Ship. A ship travels on the ocean. Ships carry people and goods across the sea. Ship goes whoosh in the water. Can you say ship? Ship. This is a boat. Boat. A boat travels on water. Boats are smaller than ships. Boat goes splash splash. Say boat. This is a submarine. Submarine. A submarine goes under the water. It travels deep in the ocean. Submarine goes blub blub. Say submarine. This is a rocket. Rocket. A rocket flies into space. It goes very, very fast. Rocket says whoosh. Say rocket. This is a space shuttle. Space shuttle. It travels to space and comes back. Astronauts ride in it. Space shuttle goes zoom zoom. Say space shuttle. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon flies in the sky. Hot air balloon goes whoosh. Can you say hot air balloon? Hot air balloon. This is a taxi. Taxi. A taxi carries people in the city. You can call a taxi for a ride. Taxi says beep beep. Say taxi. Wow! Great job! Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Mania.